Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you the new items I got from Rockler. This is the first box I'm going to open. I will post a link to all these items in the description. The first time the items we got here is we have two 48-inch clamps. These are Irwin parallel clamps. They're able to hold over 1,000 pounds. They're able to put a force of over 1,000 pounds. So we got two of them at 48 inches. So that was in this box. So now here's the 48-inch clamp from Rockler. This is the next box that we got. This right here is two 24-inch clamps that we got from Rockler. They're both parallel clamps. So we got two sets of clamps. We have two 48s and we have two 24s. So that was in this package. Last box that we have is right here. This box should have some more items in there. So the first item that we have in this box is a corner clamping jig. So this, you just turn this, put the wood right in here, and then you can just square stuff up, make corners for stuff. That's the first one. The next thing that we have is universal clamping kit. We actually got two of these. These are again to help build corners for like picture frames and everything. And we actually got another one. We got a different one. This is the 1/2-inch one. And then we also got a 3/4 inch one, which is right here. So these are all different types of clamp bits, just to help you do different stuff. So this is the 1/2-inch, this is the 3/4. We then got a different, all different square set. We have a 2-inch, 4-inch, and 6-inch. So right here, you have all different you have all different squares right in there. The next item that we got is a Rockler brush for putting glue on. So this helps you put the glue on, spread it out without getting all messy. Just so we actually got a different package. So this came separately than all this. This is glue paddles, so this is similar to the brush, but this is just paddles, no bristles on it. This is also to help spread out glue. So then we also have the precision bars that can help you move to like 1/8 of an inch or more. You just put it in like next to the blade or next to the wood, and then it moves over that amount. Then you know how to perfectly cut it right as you want, versus just trying to shift it by eye and hoping that you got it right. So these are all the items that we got from Rockler. We got 4 parallel clamps, 2 at 48 inches, 2 at 24 inches. We then got all different clamp bits to help with corners. So we got 2 of these, same over here. You have the 1/2-inch, the 3/4 inch, then this also clamp it. We also got a set of squares, glue paddles, glue brushes, and then we also got our brass to help us move over. So that was my Rockler haul. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day. Chop that subscribe button, hammer that like button, and mark up the comment section.